So how do you get the most bang for your buck when it comes to home improvements? Hey there, I'm Bret Johnson with Realty Network Group at Realty Executives. And spring, well, it's a time when flowers bloom, home sales peak, and it's also a time that we shake off the dust to our home improvement projects. When it's this time, you tend to find homeowners out renovating their gardens, maybe inside painting their walls to refresh their homes for the new season. But for those of you who are interested in selling this spring, what kind of home improvement projects will net you the biggest return on your investment? This is a crucial conversation, and some improvement projects may significantly enhance your home's value, but others might be ones you want to avoid, especially when you're trying to research a good contractor to help do the work. So while upgrading is a great way to build on your home's existing value, there are plenty of upgrades that just aren't worth your time or the trouble. Upgrading your kitchen to top of the line or making lavish landscaping changes typically aren't very cost effective. You also want to avoid partial upgrades at any cost. While finished projects may net you at least something in return, a half-done project might actually hurt your final sales price. When you embark on a project, make sure to see it through to completion. Don't rip out the cabinets in your kitchen, tear up the tile in your bathroom, or pull up the carpet in the living room unless you plan to finish the job. Adding to your home's value can be done, but you need to pick the right projects to pursue. Start with curb appeal. Consider replacing your garage door with something newer, maybe a little more updated. While you're at it, add some faux stone veneer. It's a great touch to the exterior of the home, and it isn't too pricey. Improvements that catch the eye and make a good first impression are almost always worth looking into. While you don't really want to go too in-depth making sure that the landscaping is top of the line, definitely make sure that it's clean and well maintained so it's a great first step in the right direction. Now inside, look for mid-range remodels to the kitchen, touch-ups like fresh carpet and paint. Don't break the bank, but make sure that things are up to date and functional. Now, one of the most critical conversations for any home improvement project is the contractor that you choose to perform the work. The right contractor will help you control costs, suggest high-quality additions that fit your budget, and get the details right the first time. In order to find this gem of a contractor, start by asking around to your friends, your family, maybe even places like a neighborhood Facebook group. Generate a list of top candidates and interview each of them to find the best fit. Don't just review their proposals or bids. You also want to ask for examples of their finished work and any licenses or certifications that they may possess. So as you consider preparing your home for sale, think about the impact of each improvement on your home's appeal and the value. Remember, strategic investments in your home can make a significant difference in the sales price. Are you ready to take the next steps in maximizing your home's value? As with anything related, especially with real estate, the answers could change based on your location and comparable sales. I'm here to help. Contact me by phone or email for a more personalized suggestion and maybe any questions you might have. Let's work together. Let's get the best price possible for your home today. Thanks for watching.